Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make your Honda Accord last forever. Start with a strict maintenance schedule and track every service. Regular oil changes, timely fluid checks, and scheduled inspections prevent big repairs. Keep records and use OEM or high-quality parts. Drive gently, avoid harsh acceleration, and let the engine warm up when cold. Small habits now save thousands later and keep your Accord reliable for the long haul. Regular fluid and filter care is a cornerstone of longevity for your Honda Accord. Check oil, transmission fluid, coolant, brake fluid, and power steering fluid at least twice a year. Replace filters on schedule and use the specifications in your owner's manual to avoid damage. Keeping clean fluids reduces wear, stops overheating, and protects seals. Treat fluids like insurance for your engine and drivetrain. Brakes and suspension affect safety and long-term health of your Accord. Inspect pads, rotors, shocks, struts, and bushings regularly and replace worn parts promptly. Maintain correct tire pressure and alignment to avoid uneven wear and extra strain. Address noises, vibrations, or pulling immediately to prevent cascading damage. These steps keep handling sharp and avoid costly repairs down the road.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.